In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list, add attachments, and customize your Trello board. Let's dive into these essential skills which will help you organize your tasks efficiently and ensure your projects run smoothly. First, we'll head over to your Trello board. Once you're there, your journey begins by locating the option to add a list, usually found on your board's main view. This feature allows you to start categorizing your activities efficiently. After clicking on it, you'll be prompted to name your list. Choose a name that reflects your task or project category clearly. With the name entered, click on Add List to finalize this step. You'll see your newly created list appear neatly on your board, ready to handle the tasks you will assign to it. Next, let's add a card which acts as a specific task or item within your list. Beneath your newly created list, you'll find an Add a Card option. Click on it, and similar to naming your list, you'll be asked to name your card. Remember to choose a precise and descriptive name to ensure clarity within your team. Once named, click Add Card and your task will appear under the designated list. To further enhance your card and give it more context, you can add attachments. Open the card by clicking on it, which will bring up a menu with various options. Look for the attachment button and click it. This feature lets you upload files from your computer or link to files stored on cloud services, providing access to necessary documents or images directly from the card. If you're looking to personalize the appearance of your board, Trello offers several customization options. Begin by clicking on the three dots located at the upper right corner of your board. This open menu reveals the Change Background option. Selecting it will allow you to enhance your board's visual appeal by choosing a photo background or solid color. Alternatively, if you want a unique look, you can upload a custom image. After customizing the appearance, it's important to ensure the board settings are tailored to your preferences. Head back to the main settings menu by clicking the previous button. Here you'll find the permissions section where you have control over commenting settings, deciding whether to allow comments from members only, members and observers, or to disable them entirely. In the same section, you can determine who has authority to add or remove members and adjust workspace editing permissions. To wrap things up, there's an option to control the use of card covers on your board. Toggling this on or off enables or disables the visual covers added to cards, which can help highlight important tasks at a glance. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating lists, adding attachments, and customizing your Trello board to better fit your needs. By following these steps, you'll transform your board into a dynamic and organized workspace. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you manage your projects with ease.